Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually change your Ubisoft profile avatar. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is hop onto your computer or laptop, go to your preferred browser and go to ubisoft.com. Now from there we go to the top right corner where we can sign into our account, and here open up the account management tab. Now this will open up a different tab right here. If this doesn't open up, simply allow the pop-ups from Ubisoft. Now here we have our account information, and right below that we have our public profile. And here we have our thumbnail, our avatar, our profile picture. Simply press the little pencil and here you can choose an avatar. Now you can't just randomly choose your own picture, but there's a whole variety of avatars to choose from certain games. Now let's say I want the Tom Clancy's Division. Here I can choose a lot of avatars, as you can see right here, or simply let's change it to a South Park character, and here I can choose it, change it, and that's about it. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.